right, and thanks for tuning in and clicking the video. And today, yes, I'm going to try to give you some helpful tips and show you how to replace the headlight switch. It's easy. I would say maybe a 2 out of 10 to do it. It's just because there's a few steps to do, takes a few minutes to do, and it's not a big deal. You can get these on eBay anywhere between, I would say, $20 to $150. I would strongly recommend trying to get something that has a warranty with it, or the Mercedes-Benz one exactly, because it'll be worth it. So here's the steps.
First, to get stuff started, you see you have your car here. Then remove all your plastic stuff that's right here. Take those off and expose the bolts that you see right here. And along the other side, you'll see you have that right there. You can take the bolt 1 off, that's right there, and bolt 2. I think these are 8 millimeters. You're probably gonna need the really small tool to get those off. These are all 8. And then there's one right there. Now once you remove all of these, what you'll do next, all right, so now you have the bolts removed on each side of the steering wheel, and this whole piece right here, it's kind of hard to zoom out, will be able to come down nice and easy. Now, if it doesn't, just remember to look underneath here, like underneath here at the bottom. I'm not sure you can see, there's 2 holes for another one that are 8 millimeters to come out, and then it will be able to free that, and that's down. And now, as you can see right here, the switch is now exposed. This goes to the little lamp light that's out here, and you have a little bulb that goes inside here, and you can take your old one out by twisting it and then remove it out. Be careful not to break the bulb. And then you have your switch housing in there. It's gonna be kind of stuck and difficult to get in, so you may have to take a screwdriver or something to kind of assist with getting that out a little bit with 2 hands. And then you have your switch that will be out. So when I come back, I'll have this taken out because it needs 2 hands to assist to get that out. All right, boom, got it out. All right, so here's your switch. This one is actually new. I'm going to replace it into my other E320 from this one, but the old one, which I'll show you in a second, when you hear it, it does really no good. The plastic inside here that turns the switch usually crumbles inside, and this one kind of tricky. It's kind of sticky a little bit, but listen. So it's definitely no good. So that's definitely a good time to replace that. And you'll know that's no good when it's kind of clicky, sticky, and when you take it out, and it sounds like a rattle. It's ridiculous. Okay, so when you're installing that, just a word of advice, make sure you line it up properly with the numbers that you see here. The best way I would say to line it up, see the NSE, and they have some of the big holes right here and some of the small ones. Now you can take your brand new unit, and if you see the on here, it's probably kind of hard to see because it's kind of losing light, but if you see right there NSE, and just flip it around and put it in right there in that direction. Make sure it's nice and snug and you have it in there correctly. Make sure you be careful with your bulb because those are really, really teeny and difficult to find. All right, now you can just put it back inside there and position it right into place, and there you have that. Once again, this goes for up here with the little thing. That's another small. See how small that bulb is? My God. But anyway, so that's how you change out the switch. It's really easy. You can get those on eBay for about $50 to $100. Depends on what you get with and what you like. And there you go. That one is complete. Switch for the headlights. And I finally pried this off a little bit, and I wanted to see what's going on inside here. Let me see something real quick. Let me see if I can kind of prop this up while oh, okay, well, okay, so I guess that's what that rattling noise was in the inside.
Wow, okay, I don't know what to really say. I knew there was something else, but wow. So I guess this plastic thing right here kind of disintegrates, so it gets stuck when it's trying to move around.